Morning.
Yes, very good.
You've seen the caribou over there? This is his. Mayong buntag. Magandang umaga. Good morning or good evening, depends where you are in the world. Another day, another adventure. West coast of southern tip of Oslo again. New area. They're doing a lot of work here. The road is very nice, just following the coast there. It's beautiful. Today is perfect. Just going to go and see up the road, see what I find. This is the adventure with Xavier. All right, let's go and find out. Something a bit different today. I haven't done one of those for a long time. Beautiful area. Bit of a jungle there. Look at that. And I believe there is some hot spring in here. This is Mainit, if I pronounce well, hot springs. But they're doing a lot of renovation at the moment. There is a sign that says it's closed, but we'll just come and have a look anyway. But I can see they were building brand new toilets over there. They're already doing the road. Ah yes, they've got some pools in here. And I believe it's hot, so I'll go and check it out. Wow, wow, that's beautiful there. Look at that, guys. All those beautiful cliffs. Let's go and see if that water is hot or not. Mayong buntag. This one in it? In it? Oh yes. Yes. Those pools, they're hot. They're not very clean. I wonder what they're hot. Guess it must be coming from a volcano somewhere. Beautiful. But what I like is it's just in that beautiful gorge. Oh, this one is too hot. Wow. This one is very, very hot. Yeah. I haven't read about it, but I will. And I will let you know, but that's very, very hot here. Woo. Probably the coldest one over there, and then the further you go, the hotter they are. Look at that gorge. Wow. Look at that. That's beautiful. Let's go and explore. You know me, always on for a bit of a challenge and a bit of exploring and adventure. Oop. Try not to break my legs. Need them. Wow, that's beautiful there. I'm just following the creek a little bit. So that's on the west coast. Wow. Before Alegria, I think Alegria, on the way to Moabor. Beautiful, beautiful. I have to go and have a look what's upstairs. The water here is cold. This is a very beautiful area. It looks like it hasn't been developed yet. Maybe in the future they will have the spring at the bottom, and maybe they will do a track who goes into those gorges here. I tried to find a path, but it was pretty tough. Couldn't make it. Got a couple of drone shots. Hopefully we see a little bit better. Very peaceful. No one here, of course. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, heading back now. I'm sure if my mate Owen Marshall was here, he will have tried to climb up, and I'm sure there is a big waterfall somewhere up the creek, up the river. So I'll wait for him to come and explore here. It's for you, Owen. couple of ladies in here doing the washing. I guess it's good. They got hot water. No need washing machine. No washing, mom. Washing machine. Hot water. hot and cold. No water in your house? If you got hot and cold, very hot. Very hot, very humid. Yeah. Why? Volcano? Yeah. Volcano. Wow. Have a good day humping. Alright, after the little exploration this morning, now it's time to find something to eat. It's lunchtime. We stop in that little town, Jinatilan, I think that's name. They're having a fiesta this Sunday, so they're getting prepared for it. We're going to go and find a car on the area, can eat something. Old Jeep, American Jeep from the army. Definitely fiesta time, all the flags everywhere. Might come back on Sunday maybe. Go and check it out.
Tobacco.
This is Filipino tobacco, pure leaves tobacco.
Side one.
So that's the leaf.
The
Tobacco leaves, tobacco tree. What's a tree?
lumboy sa Bisaya.
Lumboy. Lumboy tree. This is what they roll to make those cigarettes. Oh yeah. Your typical marketplace. Just wandering around. Still looking for a place to eat. It's hello. On? Hello, Dai. We're going to eat here. We find pansip, rice, talong, and that's it.
Another one?
Salamat. Another, yes.
Ready for lunch? Okay, so that was the vlog for today. It was pretty interesting to see those hot springs there. I'm back on the East Coast after my lunch. Another ride for about an hour, cross again, back to the East Coast. Oslo, right at the bottom over there, beautiful view. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for another adventure in the next vlog. Peace, stay safe.